Hey guys, welcome back to another video of mine. I am going to be playing Hybrid Animals with my best friend Rahul. Rahul, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we're going to be looking out for what weird animals we can make. Okay, so he's choosing Father Christmas for his dad. So I'm going to choose a cheeseburger for my dad. And what should the mum be?
A giraffe. Mine is a giraffe.
Yeah, so we're doing different things. Human plus burger. Okay. Cheeseburger plus human. What will it be? The McMahon. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I got a McMahon. Okay, what's your one called?
Santa plus giraffe.
Yeah, but what is it called?
Wait, it doesn't know. Wait. Is this equal to... Wait.
Okay, so I think what you need to do in this game is you need to fight other animals and collect resources. Oh, what's this? Oh, I'm fighting my first thing. Cheeseburger plus human. I love cheeseburgers. Manage powers. I have powers. Whoa, this is so cool. You can literally go mining in this game. Okay. Quests. I have quests. Colors of the sea. I should talk to Cupcake Crab and Nubia. Okay, let me teleport to Nubia. So who should I talk to in Nubia? Let me just check. Quests. Cupcake Crab. Okay, where's Cupcake Crab? Is this Cupcake Crab? Nope, he's not Cupcake Crab. He's a money wanter. He wants money. Oh, I got a stick. Where's Cupcake Flag? No, Cupcake Crab. Oh, this is Cupcake Crab. Grumpy Pug. Pug plus male. I know furniture. I have the best furniture. Nobody knows furniture better than me. Wait, go inside your house, Rahul, and go and talk to the Grumpy Pig. Buy items from him. Ooh, wait, what can I buy? Shack. I'm gonna buy a shack. How much coins do I have? Where do I see? Oh, right, so this is like a miner game. It's so cool. I have a cheeseburger human. I think that guy might be the guy who I need to talk to. Wait, actually, he's the tiny Drexdorf. I thought I'd melt.
I'm called the Crystal Man.
You're called what? The Christmas Man? Okay, so that Rahul has the guy called Christmas Man. Oh, I missed. Ooh, I killed him. I have meat now. Spend your points. Ooh, what should I do it on? Maybe attack. Attack. New power. What is it? I have Screech. Level 2 decreases your enemy's accuracy. Okay. Okay. It's cool.
Yeah, but Santa's actual name is Kringle, so I'm the Kringle Man. It's not the Christmas. It says I'm the Kringle Man, not the Christmas Man.
Oh god, I hate ads. I hate ads. Ads are boring.
Why can't you do the pause thing and then to just edit and then you just watch the ad?
Yeah, I'm gonna just edit it. I'm gonna ask my editor to edit it out. This is copyright. Wait, actually, it's showing nothing. Literally, the ad is showing nothing. Never mind. TikTok. Oh, we all know about TikTok. All the ad is showing just a picture of TikTok. Phew. Otherwise, it would have been. Wait, TikTok you won't believe this. TikTok is made by an Arabic company. What? That is so cool.
How do you
Ooh, I need to put this in my inventory.
do you think you
Take item. Woo. Take item. I have like oven and 200 coins. Tiny salmon narwhal. Hi, I'm gonna get you. I'm a cheese. I'm a muck cheese. Muckman. Yeah, that's my name, wasn't it? Dodge. Hell. I have 0 points. Never mind. How much money do I have? I have 137 coins. Big Mama Frog. I hate video ads. I wish video ads weren't a thing.
How do you get coins?
Coins?
Wait.
Oh, you just need to like look for chests and then you get coins.
I found a chest. And I got 40 coins.
Yay.
Not 14, but 14.
40.
Wait, I 29 hours and 59.
I'm gonna fight this big Mama Frog. Ooh, this is gonna hurt. Wait. This one. Wait. I'm winning! I'm gonna defeat the big Mama Frog. Yes, I defeated the big Mama Frog! Oh, hallelujah.
Wait. Mama Frog.
Yeah, the big Mama Frog.
You defeat.
I defeated the big Mama Frog. So now I have frog eggs and things.
I found 45.
What? You found 45 chests? That's impossible. Okay, now I have a frog egg. What can I do with this frog egg? How do I use it? How do I use the frog egg?
How do I use
This is
stuff?
weird.
No, I was to use one.
Oh, right, I know how to use stuff. You have to go into your inventory, then place it in your, like, your hands and things. Okay. I'm a level 12 Muckman. Okay, let me teleport back to Nubia. I need to talk to that little crab guy. What can I craft? Wait, what have you found? Like, what have you found?
So in my inventory, I found I have 40 coins. I have a magmite ore. I have a stone sword.
I have a titanium pickaxe.
I have wood rails, and I have a moonberry juice.
Hey. Wait, I actually have a titanium pickaxe. Okay, I'm gonna go mining. Wait. My inventory. Oh, this guy's gonna go down. Sorry, Tiny Dextroff. But, you know, I need some food. Oh, I feel bad for this Tiny Dextroff. I'm literally level 14.
I'm on level.
Apparently, this filter turns anything you draw into a realistic-looking ornament. Well, I'm about to prove.
Okay, phew. It's just another TikTok ad.
How are you on level 14 and I'm on level 2? I know, because I just started the game.
And so have I. I've also just started the game. It's because I'm killing lots of, like, little tiny salamans. Ooh, I killed it.
I'm on level 2. On level.
On my health region. I'm on level 14, like, and you're only on, like, level 2, and I've just started, and so have you. Well, actually, you started before me.
No, you started first.
Well, yeah, but we started at the same time, and I'm on level 4, because I just created my cheeseburger, my Macman. I love saying Macman. But I can't believe I got a titanium pickaxe. I don't even know if a titanium pickaxe is good, but I think it is. What is this? Oh, my portals. Teleporters. How do you even build teleporters? And where is Mr. Angry Frog? Who are you? Pineapple Pig. The world is dangerous out there, unless you're spiky like me. Buy some items.
Okay.
Magma sword!
Oh,
What? How much coins do I have? I have 137 coins only.
you're probably on level 27.
No, I'm not.
There you are.
Well, why would I sell coins? It's impossible to sell coins.
I received 400 coins.
Oh, cool. Okay, I'm gonna start. Okay, I think that's enough of Mr. McMahon. I'm gonna start a new game with a new hybrid. This time, my dad's gonna be Father Christmas. And what's the mom gonna be?
My mom is Santa, and my mom is Santa, and then my dad is also Santa.
How could a mom be Santa? Polar bear plus Santa. Yeti plus Santa. Santa plus Yeti equals.
At level 5.
Wait, why on earth is it called a Kringle Yeti? That's so weird. It's called a Kringle Yeti, and it doesn't even look anything like a Yeti. It only looks like Santa.
Yeah, because Pringle is
Well, yeah, I can't hear you, neither can they. But I think my game has froze. So I think that's a good way to end this video, guys. Peace.